So check it out. Most of my life, I've had perfect vision. At least if you ask me, 20/20 vision. No problem with my eyesight or anything like that. Until lately. So I won't say lately, recently, whatever. A couple of years back, whatever. Eyes did start to mess up on me. So guess what? Boom, boom, boom. Had to get the eyeglasses, right? So in the military, in the Navy, they give you a pair of eyeglasses. Probably the worst pair of eyeglasses. They all crooked and stuff. It's horrible, right? So I had to find me some more eyeglasses. I had to find a place to go get them. Didn't want to go to the store, so they was all crazy. They talk about hundreds of dollars and all kind of crazy prices like that. So ran into this online spot, Zenni, Zenni, Zenni. Man, let me put y'all on.
I don't know how long it's gonna take me, but I'm gonna stay focused on my grind. I won't let none of this shit face me. Oh no, I gotta get mine, and I can't keep letting time fly. Oh no, I gotta get mine, and I can't keep letting time fly. Oh no, I gotta get mine.
Alright, so Pete, Zenni Optical, ZenniOptical.com. You go online. I'm gonna show you how to do the order, man. Super simple, very, very cost friendly. Like these right here, I ended up getting like 2 pair of these. I want to say they might have been $16 each, something like that. I don't know, man, something crazy. But I'm gonna show you the online, how you get online, how you make the order, how simple it is to go through, and then it take about 2 weeks to get there. Matter of fact, if I look around here somewhere, I just ordered my 2 new pair, right? Because my last pair I had, I did mess them up because, like I told you, I got 2 pair. This pair and there's another pair. I kind of messed those up, so I decided, you know what? Let me run it back. Let me try something different. I wanted to try a different style, so you see, it's fresh out the wrapper. Got here today, right? 2 pair, right? Different styles. Just trying to do something different, man. Let's see. We'll open it up right here. Boom. Right. Also did a I don't know if that's in there. Oh, no, it ain't in there, right? So that's one package open. It has your little cloth in there. Nice little hard case. Zenni. The other one right here. Okay, so this one I did like some little some kind of clip-on shade piece or whatever, just because I kind of wanted to see what the vision was going to look like with the shade piece before I just order some glasses outright with this tint to it or whatever for sunshine. You know, I do a lot of driving and in the day and in the night, so I think these ones are the night ones that's supposed to make me see better at night, so we're going to try those out in a little bit. But without further ado, man, let's just open one. Let's see what we got. Like I said, super inexpensive. Pretty much they cheap. Come with your cloth on it. Boom, boom. Right here. Boom. I got some. Oh, and then these right here, because of the style I got, let's let you see it from the front, right? You go to style, you see how that is. Because of the style I got, I was actually able to get inscribed. So check that out, boy. 205 blue, right? Can't steal them. They got me on there. They know who I am. Let's check these out. Put your description in on the website. Like I said, I'm gonna show you that a little bit later. Oh, those is nice. I don't mind that at all. Don't mind that at all, man. Matter of fact, I might have to rock these. Yeah. Okay. So that's one pair. And then I can probably show you the price of those too. Like I said, super inexpensive. Second pair, going out on now. Just want to try something different. Like I said, more pair of glasses that you got, the better it is. Just never know when you just need to grab a pair. Looking around, see I put my last name on these ones. These ones are like a red tint. Pretty much the same thing, just kind of got a red tint to it. As you see, I generally stick with thinner glasses. I don't really got no frame on them or nothing like that. It's just different for me to have something more, you know, thick, heavy set, whatever. You can go on the website, you'll see they got a lot of different styles. What I'm not crazy about on this one is that it's kind of tight here. I'm not mad at it. It still fit. It's good. It's not as it ain't like these other two I got, right? Where it's like, boom, these just, they fit perfect, fit loose, barely feel like they on my face, right? These ones, I feel a little, they feel a little, like they squeeze them a little bit, just a little bit. Nothing wrong with that. Then I said I got the clip-on thing, right? Let's see what this says. Does it have anything? See to take care of them, all of that. See how the clip-on works. And I want to say it's for driving at night. But I can't open the bag. All right, here we go. Bag is open. Take these off. See how these clip on. Yeah, clip on pretty easy. All right, boom. Okay. We're gonna try these out, man. We're gonna see how they work. Give them a real test run. But like I said, not very expensive, great quality. Not, I mean, what else can you do, man? Said they give you a little cloth to wipe off your glasses with. They give you a nice hard case. What more can you ask for, man? Zenni. Let me show you. Let me show you how to do the order. That's what we'll do. So here we go, man. ZenniOptical.com. Right here, told you. Don't mind all that stuff I got about there, man. I keep something crazy going on. Like I told you, it's a lot of different options on here. Halloween, they got the glow in the dark joint. You got your women's, your men's, your kids, your blue, your blue light blockers, different type of, you know, frames. Look at that. Look at that, $6.99 glasses. You can shop for glasses that can be $6.99. And if you work in construction or whatever, you still want your prescription going, but you need the protective wear, right there. Got you, bro. Look at this, all different types. Obviously, the more you add on to it, the more you do to the lenses and things like that, the more expensive the glasses get. But if you're just trying to get something to have around the house, pick up, whatever, you can't really do better than this, man. Try-ons and all that, right? So let's just pick something. I don't want to do sunglasses. Let's go here. We'll shop $6.95 and below. Boom. Ironically, these are similar to the glasses I just got. I was just showing you guys. Matter of fact, I think these are those glasses. So, show you what I like about this. I'm already logged on. I can try these on, right? Where's my try on button? Here we go. Boom. Try those on. What are you gonna see? Boom. A picture of your boy right there with him on. Let's see, can I go to the left and right with it? Let's see. Oh, there you go. Turn to the left with it. Boom. There you go. So you kind of see yourself with the glasses on. If you don't like yourself, you know, pick somebody else and see what they look like with them on. So we decide, all right, we do like these glasses, $6.95. That's great. Now we gotta select the lens. Get to the lens. Like I said, you can change the color of it if you want to. We're gonna keep it blue. Don't worry about it. Prescription. If you know your prescription, put your prescription in. Let me see. I actually should have my prescription saved in here somewhere. Boom. Only single vision. Oh, here we go. Import prescription. Once you put it in there once, you don't have to keep doing it. Right one, import. Boom. Guess what? The price didn't change. It's still $6.95. Submit that. Confirm the prescription. Boom. Now, here you go. Like I said, $6.95. But you can do different little add-ons. You know, Boom, boom, different things like that. High index. I don't really know what all these things are, what they do. Obviously, tint, I know what that is. You can add that on. You can put in your different color of tint. You want the mirror tint, you know, how you want it. I get it. Blue blockers, we kind of talk about that. That's a little bit pricey. If you get the, you know, the best version of it, that's $49.95 on top of just the $6.95 for your glasses. Polarizing sunglass lens. This is the lens, I think, that it turns dark and light. Outside in the sun, it gets dark. Tint it up for you. Inside, it's untinted. Do that, man. Different prices on all of that. Like I said, here you go. You can add any of this stuff, but obviously the price goes up. Or you can just choose not to add any of that and keep moving. Boom. Anti-reflective coating. Some of this is good for cleaning. You know, if you wear glasses, you know you get the fingerprint spludge or whatever. Clip-ons, like I said, I got one of the clip-ons right here for like $3.95 just to try it out, see what it's about. Matter of fact, I think I got the nighttime one. Yeah, yellow tint. So $5.95. I'm about to go outside. We're gonna check that out. It's kind of nice right here. You can personalize it like you saw I did on mine. Boop, boop, boop. Right there. And what did I do? Did I pick something? Oh, I put on the standard anti-reflective coating. Cool, great. So now the price is $11.90. Added to the cart. $11.90 for a pair of glasses. That's not counting the shipping. Whatever the shipping is going to cost. Add-ons, right? They're always going to try to upsell you. You don't have to buy none of that. Check straight out. At this point, I'd have to sign back in or whatever, make the payment. Shipping shouldn't be very much, but like I said, very easy, very inexpensive, different stuff. You can go under 20, under 10, $6.95 glasses, just anything, right? New arrivals. Let's just check one more thing out so you can just see. Or actually, I probably should have went best sellers, but all kind of things. Sunglasses, protective wear, anything that you want, anything that you would need. Let's just, for the sake of it, let's see what their best sellers are. Best sellers. Look at that. Different prices, different colors. Like I said, you can try any of that on. These are the ones I go with right here. Boom. $6.95. Nothing. Look at that, look at that, look at that. Anything you want. I don't know why you would want these, but if you do, guess what? They right there. They right there. Any of that stuff right here. And like I said, it gets to you pretty fast, pretty quick. They're going to clip on right there. Like I said, about 2 weeks. A week for them to make it. And then they'll send you an email like, hey, your stuff is done. We're shipping it off. And then there you have it. So there you have it. ZenniOptical.com. I'll put the website in the description below. You see I'm already filling these, man. With the curls got man. Black King shirt on, man. These are nice. I like them. Highly recommend it. Go get you a pair, man. Like I said, you can never have too many glasses. When you go on the website, you're going to see all the different styles. Men, women, kids, prescription, all of that, man. If you've used Zenni before and you like it, comment below. If you didn't like it, comment below. And if you got another company that you're using that's even better or like it, comment below. Let me know. Put me on game, bro. I just put you on. Put me on game. You know what I'm saying? Put me on game, man. Oh, man. But we can see now. It's looking nice. And you know what I see? I see that the world is crazy right now. The world is really, really, really crazy right now. Y'all stay dangerous.